We are looking at a new brokerage listing. This is a 2021 Tiara 43 LS. It's got Ferrari blue hull. Triple Mercury 450 racing engines. This dinette turns all the way around. Got our motors out of the water right now. We have our sure shade that opens. We do have our tuna door at the side, and we have an attachment here where we can put a ladder out. Storage below the seat. What a wonderful, this is such a nice open countertop, and this whole entertainment space is just really inviting. We have controls here, so we have AC at the helm. Controls there. And we do have an enclosure for this. And then we have our control here, which is just so nice. We have our TV that just automatically comes out. And it's really quiet. Have a grill. We've got a sink, and then we have our dedicated, spot for that to go in as well. We've got coolers down below. This just makes for a really nice entertainment space. And we can see nice that is. And then simple, easy, one button to have the TV go back. Nice bolsters on all the seats. We do have a flip down, which is really nice at the helm. The center captain's chair does move forward and aft, and we have our controls up here. Got twin screens, and then we have our Mercury vessel view up above, as well as we have our Seakeeper. We've got controls here for the lighting, and you can see we've got these really nice accent lights. You can change any color, and we can see those lights under here as well, which is kind of nice. You can see a little pop of color. I'm kind of bouncing all around, but you've got our connection here, cable master cords, all that stuff, which is really nice. And everything is very clean. So you've got lines tucked to the side. It's just very classy, and the lines are still clean, so you don't have lines everywhere, which is nice. Moving up to the bow. This is really nice. We have a nice footrest, which is on a ratchet system, so you can go at different increments, which is really nice. And it's just really comfortable and inviting. We've got armrests at the side. Tiara always does a wonderful job with this material. It's just top of the line, nice stitching, very beautiful. got our speakers recessed, and then we also have controls here. We've got nice dedicated zones so you can have more sound at the front, or if you want, you know, if you want more music, more of a party going on in the cabin, you can do that too. Nothing too exciting, but we have our windlass and our anchor locker. Pop-up stainless steel cleats. We have attachments here, and we have a meridian shade it is set up for meridian shade, so that's where those attachments would go. And then the table here, this table has a dedicated place to get stowed right below here, and the cushion just locks in place. Nice and easy. This is very nice and deep. We've got this nice stainless steel handrail that goes all the way to the back, which is nice. And then we've got our bars for the meridian shade here. Going into the cabin of the 43 LS. One thing that's really cool, this is kind of like one way. When you're inside, you can see out. However, you cannot see in, which is nice. Lots of storage back there. This is a very nice plush upholstery. Very nice little bench. Closet. Control panel. We have a wet head. I want to point out the nice accent here. Looks really nice with that wood. Storage.